In the heart of Africa, where emerald canopies of ancient trees cradle secrets as old as time itself, there exists a place that defies imagination. It's a realm where the whispers of the wild reverberate through the lush foliage, where ancient spirits dance with the wind, and where a woman's relentless pursuit of a dream reshaped our understanding of humanity's roots. Here, in the enchanting embrace of Gombe Stream National Park, Jane Goodall embarked on a daring adventure that would unlock the mysteries of our Stone Age ancestors. Her tale is nothing short of extraordinary. Venture deeper into the jungle with us and discover how Jane Goodall, armed with an unshakable determination, transformed the outlook of our world. Buckle up. This is a journey you won't want to miss. Born on April 3, 1934 in London, England, in the midst of a world teetering on the brink of turmoil, Valerie Jane Morris Goodall emerged as a beacon of curiosity and tenacity. Her destiny seemed woven into the fabric of her very being from the start. Raised in the idyllic town of Bournemouth, Jane's childhood was an enchanting tapestry of wonder and curiosity. At the tender age of 1, she made her foray into the world of the animal kingdom when she received a toy chimpanzee named Jubilee, igniting a lifelong passion for creatures great and small. Jane's early years were marked by a unique blend of fascination and determination. While her peers were preoccupied with dolls and tea parties, young Jane preferred to explore the natural world around her. She spent countless hours observing the birds, insects, and small mammals that graced her family's backyard. This insatiable curiosity often led to unconventional experiments, like the time she bravely hid in a henhouse for hours, just to witness the miracle of an egg being laid. But it wasn't just the animals that captured Jane's heart. It was the far-off lands that beckoned to her adventurous spirit. At the age of 11, she thumbtacked a picture of Africa onto her bedroom wall, declaring to anyone who would listen that she would one day journey to the continent to live among the wild creatures she adored. Her dream was audacious, especially for a girl growing up in a time when societal norms dictated a more conventional path for women. Yet Jane Goodall's determination burned brighter than any societal expectation. Despite the odds stacked against her, she pursued her passion relentlessly, setting in motion a destiny that would not only change her life, but also reshape our understanding of the natural world. Jane's journey to Africa was more than just a dream. It was a calling, and it would lead her to the very heart of the wild, where her legacy would take root and flourish. In the early 1960s, armed with little more than a notebook, binoculars, and an unyielding spirit, Jane Goodall embarked on a courageous odyssey to fulfill her childhood dream: Africa. She arrived in Kenya, a land as wild and untamed as her aspirations, with no formal training in scientific research, but an abundance of passion and curiosity. Jane's leap of faith led her to the iconic paleontologist and archaeologist Louis Leakey, who recognized her potential and offered her the opportunity of a lifetime: the chance to study and observe chimpanzees in their natural habitat. Her journey continued as she set her sights on the remote Gombe Stream National Park in Tanzania. Those early days in Gombe were filled with challenges that would have deterred most. The wild terrain was unfamiliar and unforgiving. Jane faced fierce opposition, not only from the harsh environment, but also from the skeptical colleagues who doubted a young woman's ability to undertake such groundbreaking research. Undeterred, Jane Goodall immersed herself in the jungle, spending countless hours tracking and observing the chimpanzees. She became intimately acquainted with the intricacies of their society, their individual personalities, and their remarkable behaviors. Her fearless determination to integrate into their world, to live among them as an unobtrusive observer, set her apart. Jane's pioneering spirit laid the foundation for a journey of discovery that would ultimately challenge and reshape conventional wisdom about the animal kingdom and our place within it. Her fearless leap into the African wilderness marked the beginning of a legacy that would forever alter our understanding of our Stone Age ancestors. Amidst the dense green tapestry of Gombe Stream National Park, Jane Goodall's quest for understanding took its most mesmerizing turn. Her initial encounters with the chimpanzees in this untouched Eden would mark the genesis of a scientific revolution. Jane's approach was unconventional from the outset. She saw these creatures not as mere subjects to be numbered and catalogued, but as individuals with unique personalities and stories to tell. Thus, she began her groundbreaking journey with a pioneering move. Instead of assigning sterile numbers, she bestowed names upon the chimps. Names like David Greybeard, Flo, and Goliath would become iconic in the annals of primatology, forever humanizing her subjects. Jane's gift was her ability to patiently observe, to become part of their world without disrupting it. She understood that trust was the key to unlocking the secrets of chimpanzee behavior, and so she waited, quietly, with an unwavering presence, until the chimps accepted her as a fellow inhabitant of the forest. It was through this extraordinary patience that Jane made observations that rewrote the book on our closest relatives in the animal kingdom. She documented the chimps crafting and using tools, a revelation that shattered the long-held belief that tool use was the exclusive domain of humans. This discovery, a testament to the profound intelligence of chimpanzees, bridged the evolutionary chasm between us and them. Jane's keen eye also revealed the complexities of chimpanzee society. She documented their intricate social hierarchies, their alliances and rivalries, their capacity for empathy, and even their dark side, the capability for aggression and warfare. Through her meticulous observations, the chimpanzees ceased to be mere curiosities and became a mirror through which we could glimpse our own evolutionary past. The power of Jane's work lay not just in her scientific rigor, but also in her ability to convey the emotional depth and richness of the chimpanzees' lives. Her writings and vivid descriptions made the world fall in love with these creatures and ignited a global fascination with primates. In the quiet moments beneath the emerald canopy, Jane Goodall's groundbreaking work illuminated the bonds that tie us to our Stone Age ancestors. It was a journey of profound patience and unfaltering dedication that would forever change the way we view ourselves and our place in the natural world. Jane Goodall's remarkable journey wasn't just about revealing the mysteries of chimpanzee behavior. It was about forging an unbreakable connection between humans and our closest evolutionary relatives. Her observations and insights became a bridge across time, illuminating the path of our own ancient lineage. Jane's pioneering work challenged long-standing scientific beliefs about what made humans unique. Her discovery that chimpanzees crafted and used tools shattered the notion that tool-making was the sole province of Homo sapiens. This revolution pushed the boundaries of our understanding of human evolution and forced us to acknowledge that we shared this remarkable trait with our chimp cousins. Equally profound was Jane's revelation that chimpanzees exhibited complex social behaviors, emotions, and familial bonds not dissimilar to our own. Her work offered a glimpse into the roots of human society, compelling us to reevaluate our place in the animal kingdom. Yet, Jane's mission extended beyond scientific inquiry. It evolved into a passionate commitment to the preservation of these extraordinary creatures and their vanishing habitats. Recognizing that chimpanzees faced a perilous future due to habitat destruction and poaching, she took action. In 1977, Jane Goodall founded the Jane Goodall Institute, a beacon of hope for chimpanzees and the environment. The Institute's mission was twofold: to protect chimpanzees and their habitats, and to inspire global action for a more sustainable world. Her vision and dedication galvanized individuals worldwide to join the cause. The Institute's groundbreaking programs, from habitat conservation to community-based initiatives, have touched countless lives and restored habitats for chimpanzees. The ripple effect of Jane's work reached far beyond the jungles of Gombe, transforming lives, fostering compassion for all living beings, and reshaping our commitment to environmental stewardship. Jane Goodall's indomitable spirit and profound insights forged an unbreakable bond between humanity and our ancient ancestors. Her legacy continues to remind us that our destiny is intertwined with the natural world, and that we hold the power and responsibility to protect the fragile web of life that sustains us all. Jane Goodall's legacy is a shining testament to the extraordinary power of one person's passion, dedication, and boundless curiosity. As a trailblazer in primatology, she didn't merely study chimpanzees. She transformed our perception of the natural world and our place within it. Her influence extends far beyond the lush jungles of Gombe. Jane's advocacy for environmental conservation became a wake-up call for a planet in peril. She recognized that protecting chimpanzees and their habitats was intrinsically linked to safeguarding the entire ecosystem, including humanity. Through her unwavering commitment, she awakened a global consciousness about the urgent need for conservation. Jane's impact extends to the hearts and minds of future generations. Her Roots and Shoots program empowers young people to become stewards of the earth, inspiring them to take action in their communities and to champion environmental causes. This legacy of youth empowerment continues to flourish, fostering a new generation of environmental leaders. Continuing her journey, Jane has become a global ambassador for wildlife conservation. Her tireless efforts to raise awareness about the interconnectedness of all life on Earth inspire individuals, governments, and organizations to take action in preserving biodiversity and combating climate change. In the grand tapestry of her contributions, education takes center stage. Jane's ability to convey complex scientific ideas in a relatable and inspiring way has touched countless lives. Through her books, lectures, and documentaries, she has ignited a passion for wildlife and the environment in people of all ages, galvanizing them to become stewards of our fragile planet. Jane Goodall's life and work have left an indelible mark on our understanding of our Stone Age ancestors and our place in the natural world. Her legacy is not just one of scientific discovery, but of hope, a belief that, as individuals, we have the power to shape a better future for ourselves and all living beings. She reminded us that the bond between humans and the natural world is profound and enduring, urging us to cherish and protect the remarkable planet we call home. Jane's story is a beacon of hope, illuminating a path toward a more harmonious and sustainable coexistence with our fellow creatures and the Earth itself.